In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva to add a dynamic noise texture to your photos, perfect for enhancing your YouTube visuals. We'll walk through setting up the design and selecting and applying the texture, and adjusting it to achieve the perfect look. Let's get started by jumping into Canva. First things first, head over to Canva's website and log into your account. If you haven't already set up an account, it's easy and free, and you'll find a lot of great templates and resources at your fingertips. Logging in ensures that your projects are saved and accessible so you never lose your creative work. Now that you're logged in, let's get to creating. I prepared a canvas with the dimensions of 1080 by 1080 pixels. This size is ideal for social media posts, making it a versatile choice for various platforms, including YouTube thumbnails. You can easily adjust the size depending on your specific needs, but for our demonstration, we'll stick to this square format. With our canvas ready, we're going to add some noise texture to give it a unique and engaging look. To do this, head over to the left side menu and click on the Elements tab. This tab is packed with graphics, photos, and other media you can incorporate into your designs. Next, type Noise Texture into the search bar. Canva offers a wide selection of textures, so you'll have plenty of options to choose from. Browse through the results until you find a noise texture that suits your style and the mood you're aiming to create. Once you've made your choice, click on the noise texture to add it to your design. After selecting your texture, it's time to make it your own. Adjust the position and size to fit your canvas perfectly. You have complete control here, so feel free to experiment with how the texture overlays on your photo. Getting the right look might take a few tweaks, but that's all part of the creative process. When you're satisfied with the layout, it's time to refine the texture. Move your attention to the top of the workspace where you'll find the floating toolbar. This toolbar is key for customizing elements within Canva. Click on the Transparency option to access the slider tool. Adjusting the transparency will allow you to fine-tune how prominent you want the noise texture to appear over your main photo. A subtle texture can add depth without overpowering the underlying image, so consider what best complements your design. Play around with this slider until you find the perfect balance. And there you have it. You've successfully added a noise texture to your design using Canva. This technique not only enhances visual appeal, but also helps your content stand out on platforms like YouTube. Thanks for following along, and feel free to explore other creative elements within Canva to continue personalizing your projects.